Chapter 16: Energy for Vehicles. In the spotlight: fossil fuels, alternate fuels, renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. We should use our resources carefully. They are limited and took millions of years to form. In this chapter, we will discuss about fuels that are used in vehicles. The materials that various vehicles burn to produce energy are called fuels. The process by which this fuel is converted into energy is called combustion. All vehicles need energy from fuel to move. Fuels can be divided into two groups. They are fossil fuels, alternate fuels. Fossil fuels: coal, petroleum, and natural gas are natural fuels obtained from the dead remains of plants and animals that got buried under the earth millions of years ago. Hence, they are called fossil fuels. These are available in a limited quantity. So, these are exhaustible resources which cannot be renewed. They are also called non-renewable resources. Coal. Coal was formed from the forests that got buried under the earth. Due to high temperature and pressure, trees under the earth changed into coal. This process of formation of coal took place millions of years ago. Coal is a fossil fuel. Coal is used as a fuel for cooking, heating, and for generating electricity. It is also used to run steam engines and factories. Petroleum. Petroleum is also known as black gold. It is found deep inside the earth. Wells are drilled deep to reach the oil. An oil field is an area where many oil wells are drilled. Crude oil is refined to produce many products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, and mobile oil. These have different uses. Petrol is used as a fuel in vehicles. Diesel is used as a fuel in heavy vehicles like buses, trucks, ships, motorboats, etc. Aviation turbine fuel is used as a fuel in aircrafts. It is a special kind of refined kerosene. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is a byproduct of petroleum refining and is used to cook food in cities and towns. It is stored in cooking gas cylinders. It burns with a blue flame. Kerosene is used as a domestic fuel in stoves to cook food. Natural gas. In many oil fields, natural gas is found along with crude mineral oil. This natural gas is lighter than oil, so it is found above the layers of petroleum deposits. It is also used as a fuel. Compressed natural gas, CNG, is used in buses and auto rickshaws nowadays. It is an eco-friendly fuel that does not give any smoke on burning. Pumps for CNG are separately located from the regular petrol pumps. Some byproducts of petroleum are used to manufacture cosmetics, drugs, plastics, fertilizers, etc. Wood is also used as a fuel to cook, to produce steam, etc. Nowadays, synthetic fuels are made from biomass, bituminous sand. Bituminous sand is processed to produce oil. Alternate fuels. Materials other than fossil fuels that can be used as fuel are called alternate fuels. Some of the alternate sources of fuel for vehicles are hydrogen, biofuels like alcohol fuel and biodiesel, battery-operated vehicles, and electricity. Biodiesel is used to run vehicles in many European countries. Alcohol fuel is used to run cars in Brazil. Trains, metro rail, trams, and cable cars run on electricity. Liquefied hydrogen is used as fuel in spacecrafts. Renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. We know that fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy. These cannot be regenerated in a short time. The rate at which they are being used, soon a time will come when we will face a shortage of these fuels. Our future generations will not be able to see them. There is an urgent need for us to depend on renewable sources of energy like the wind, sun, flowing water, etc. Wind energy from windmills is used to generate electricity. Solar energy is used to run solar cookers and solar calculators. These forms of energy are always available and are non-polluting. Let us recall. Any material that is burnt to obtain energy is called a fuel. The two kinds of fuels are fossil fuels and alternate fuels. Coal is a fossil fuel. Petroleum is also known as black gold. Kerosene is used as a domestic fuel in stoves to cook food. Liquefied hydrogen is used as fuel in spacecrafts. Trains, metro rail, trams, and cable cars run on electricity. The price of petrol, diesel, kerosene, and LPG are revised several